Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are having a wonderful day. So in this video, I am going to give a complete tour of my cybersecurity home lab. Yeah, means in this video, I will show the entire architecture of my home lab, what operation systems I use, why I use them, and what security tools I have installed, how all these machines communicate with each other. Total each and everything I will show you in this video. Okay, yes, this is my SpeedTech laptop, HP AMD Ryzen processor and 16 GB RAM. In that I use VMware Workstation for virtualization environment because of we can't run multiple operating systems in our host mission. That's for that we need one virtualization or isolated environment to run the multiple operating systems. So many applications or softwares are there like VMware or VirtualBox something. So in this mission I use VMware Workstation Pro means Virtual Mission Software Workstation Pro. It creates a separate like isolated environment to run multiple to run and operate multiple operating systems in one only like in only one mission or only one laptop. We don't need to multiple physical missions. So don't waste time. Okay, let's get started. I opened the VMware Workstation Pro. Yeah, this is interface of my VMware Workstation Pro. In this, I use operating systems like VMs, Windows 11, Windows 11. Like it's a normal user, like it's like a normal user operating system, like where we scroll reels or movies, like that. Some of the parts. Why I use in this Windows 11 there because of our host mission also Windows 11. So we can perform like some anomalies, some attacks in our host mission. It will affect like uh, like means to reduce to decrease increase CPU usage, memory usage, and decrease our system performance. That's why I use Windows 11 as a user employee, like a victim mission. Then Windows Server. Windows Server also Microsoft's operating system server. Windows Server mostly used in organization, like big companies, organizations used servers to to connect all the computers and more computers to one server, like one separate network. In that, share files, resources, or communicate to each other, or user manage different more user authentications, users or groups like that. In this lab, I download Windows Server for just to learn what Windows Server, what is architecture of Windows 11, Windows Server, and what is the difference between Windows 11 and Windows Server. Just for to know the details about this, so I downloaded this Windows Server. Then Ubuntu. This is Linux based operating system. In mostly Ubuntu is most famous in reliability. It's a reliability. Yeah. Yeah, Windows. Okay, Ubuntu. It's known for its stability and reliability because the Linux machines are it's more secure and most reliable and stable. So I use Ubuntu. In that, I downloads like Splunk, Wazuh monitoring tools to monitor the victims' machines like Windows Server, and Ubuntu, and detect anomalies or any fraud like cyber attacks like that. Coming to Kali Linux. Yeah, every hacker, ethical hacker, or cybersecurity professional's favorite operating system is Kali Linux. It's a Debian Linux based operating system. It has hundreds of pre-built tools and commands are there. Tools are there in Kali Linux, like scanning and exploitation tools, or social engineering tools, like that more. In this lab, I use this as a attacker mission to perform attacks like scanning, exploitation, or gaining access like that. Coming to Metasploitable. It's like a vulnerable mission. Means in that we will have more like vulnerabilities like weaknesses. So what we gain in this Metasploitable in that we use like a practice hands-on practice to gain training and practice to perform that vulnerabilities to gain access and exploitation after Okay. In Metasploit, so many vulnerabilities there. So if that vulnerability after that, what we will do? In real mission we can do, but it's illegal. That's why we will do in Metasploitable. It's like a vulnerable mission. This is all about overview of the my work VMware workstation. Oh, last one point. Okay, these all are connected in net means network address translation. Why net is why I use a net? Because virtual machines to access the internet by sharing the host computer's network connection means our host like our Windows HP laptop like internet sharing from HP laptop like my host physical network physical machine. So like in simple word, okay, host computer means my HP computer. It's like a house. In that virtual machines like Windows 11, Windows Server, Ubuntu, Kali, Linux, Metasploit, like a family members to sharing internet from the host machine. This is all about NAT. Okay, this is all about our like VMware workstation pro interface of architecture of VMware. So now I will deep dive into each and every operating systems. First of all, Windows 11. Yeah, yeah. For run this virtual machine. Okay, okay. Yeah. What is Windows? Mhm. Okay. Yeah, Windows 11. We all are now. Most of the people use the operating systems Windows 11 because of its user-friendly operating system and graphical user interface operating system. That's why most of the people are using Windows 11. And along with it's a most attacking operating system also. Yeah, because of whoever is most operating like which operating system is used mostly, that is attacker also targeted only that operating system. That's why Windows 11 is more attacking operating system. Yeah, this is open. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Password. Yeah, this is my Windows 11 operating system. Okay. It takes okay. Load. It's loading. Okay. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Reason what's one like isolated environment means VMware workstation. That it will take some time compared to our real host missions. A real physical mission, it takes some time because it's completely isolated environment. Okay. Yeah, it opened. Yeah, this is all for my operating system. Okay. Before diving into, so repress it 3 4 times, it will become a smooth. Okay, of the file. Oh, yeah, okay, it will take. Yeah, it's loading slowly. Okay, yeah, repress, and repress. Okay, now we will open anything like okay. Again 2 3 times repress. Okay. My power and battery also okay. No problem. Yeah. Then power cell. Yeah. Why using Windows 11? Perform some attacks to install malware to send malwares, or some social engineering attacks, or password cracking attacks, and some scanning to Windows. Okay. We can also do in our real host mission also, but it's affected. So that's why use okay. First of all, IP config. Yeah. Okay. This is my system's IP address, private IP address. Okay. In that I install two things. One is Wazuh agent. Second one is Splunk Universal Forwarder because these two are sending logs to our Wazuh and Splunk. In that we analyze all the logs and activities in from Windows Mission. What activities Windows Mission perform. Is there any suspicious activities or any danger activities? In that we monitor and okay, we respond to regarding that activities. Okay, then get service Wazuh SVC. Yeah. This Wazuh SVC means Wazuh agent running. Already it's running. This Wazuh agent send all the activities, all the logs, what we performed in this Windows mission. Like we opened anything, like we forgot password, we gave wrong password 2 3 times. That logs also forward to Wazuh. Everything. Then another one is get service Splunk forwarder. Okay, sorry. Okay, Splunk forwarder. Okay, sorry. Okay, I give a wrong name. Okay, get service Splunk forwarder. Yeah, this is also running. Means Splunk universal forwarder. It also send all the logs and activities to Splunk. Yes, or Splunk Enterprise. Okay, this is all about our Windows 11. Okay, then we will move into Windows Server 2022. Yeah, this is Windows Server. Same like that Windows 11, but it's a for manage user authentications, multiple users, multiple groups like that. Okay, it also takes some time. Okay, before that, if we like, okay, okay, I will, before going this, it will take some time. In this meantime, if you want, if you give any feedback or anything, please give me in comments. Please write in comments because of your feedback, your comment is most valuable for me. Like what I will improve or how I will improve. These are all things I will know. So that's why give me feedback. Okay, it's open. Okay, it will take a control alt plus delete. Okay, cancel. Then it shows a passport. Okay, our passport. Okay, our password enter. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. Okay, before moving to this, first refresh 2 3 times. Refresh, 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 refresh. Okay. Yes. Why did the computer shut down unexpectedly? Okay, no, cancel. So it's open, yeah, server manager dashboard. In that add roles, features, other services to manage, create server group. This server means it's a separate network type. Like it manages so many users, like many usernames as many users, like many laptops, many devices to share files each other, to file storage servers, roles, features in that admin roles or employee roles or HR roles like that manage server. This server manager dashboard looks like this. Okay, then I will okay. Not for cell. Oh yeah, this is for cell. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Windows are mostly uses companies or organizations. In that more like companies organizations has multiple like employees are there. That's why they use a server. They need separate system, like separate network to share files to each other, one employee to another employee, or employee to admin like that. If config. Yeah. This IP address 192.168.213.131. Yeah. Before Windows 11 IP address is same 130. This is 131 because all are connected network address translation. This is gateway address. Okay. These are about Windows 11. Okay. Now we will move to Ubuntu. Okay. We can run the operation at a time, but it will like it will become stuck or slowly see performance system began to slow. That's why I shut down everything before moving to new operating another operating system. Close, power up. Okay. And power up. Okay. Video video goes to lengthy. So video goes to too lengthy. Okay, I will upload. Okay, I will upload. Make a separate video of Ubuntu Kali Linux Metasploitable because this video goes to too lengthy. That's why I will upload another video about Ubuntu Kali Linux and vulnerable machine. Okay, guys. I hope all are enjoying this video because this is my first video. I am also feeling nervous. So if you give any feedback, any comments, please give me in comments. Thank you for watching and do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See ya.